John Alphaby. I'm from St. Paul, Minnesota. Saw orthopedic surgeons, seen doctors of physical therapy as far as recovery, seen physician assistants, and then I've also tried, chiropractic for years and years and years, and none of them really got at the root cause at all. That would be starting through just looking at Google, looking through YouTube and all the stuff that I could find. I found, Dr. A and just kind of stuck with that. It became a lot more clear upon meeting Dr. Aguila and just taking that time and that focus, meeting with Jenny, and then being able to meet with them for the first consult for over 2 hours, I want to say. But I won't say it took 2 hours to figure it out. I mean, I probably knew the answer in like the first 2 minutes after Dr. A also pointing to the same exact area, hey, I think this is this going on. I feel fantastic, really. Being able to tie my shoes again, haven't done that, and bending over at the waist for a lot of different years is something that I was really impacted by. That being able to pick a golf ball out of a hole, that assuming I get it there, would be great. Maybe being able to try bowling again, and then getting back to just it impacts everything from the start of the day to your end of your day. I'm looking forward to a sense of normalcy again. I was just really grateful.